Hello everyone, let's do a toolbox tour, but first we'll take a look, just swapping over some parts to this Perkins 4203. There's the old one. This is going to be a replacement for a New Holland skid steer. Let's have a look at my toolbox. So this is a Mac Tools Tech Series toolbox. It's the largest one that they make. I think, well, who knows. So let's start with the main drawer here. When we open up the main drawer, all the sockets here. So metric is going to be on the left and SAE fractional on the right. I've got little things I could grab and go, runs of sockets, 12-point, 6-point, impact and chrome. It's pretty much everything I use. Some ratchets here. Let's take a look at the additional ratchets. Some breaker bars, torque wrenches, etc. And additionally, large sockets. So there's my larger sockets for axles and whatnot. Just run off stuff. Okay, then let's look at combination wrenches here. Some stuff is missing because I've got a project going on right now. Combination wrenches here. You could see SAE on the left, metric on the right, larger metric up top. I mostly have some SK, some gear wrench, and then the larger ones are Snap-on. Let's see, we already looked at that one. Then we've got stubby combination wrenches, ratcheting, swivel end, and then just stubby ones, stubby ratcheting. All right, in this drawer we've got adjustable wrenches, crescent wrenches, vice grips. Working our way down the middle, screwdrivers, body panel pullers, stuff of that nature. Here we've got taps, dies, pullers, easy outs, punches, feeler gauges. Probably should move the feeler gauges to a different drawer. Here we have hammers, chisels. Here we have some miscellaneous metalworking tools, pullers, heat gun, Dremels, etc. Let's go over to the left bank here now. So starting off here, we've got all of our different pliers and cutters, razor blades, inspection sticker, scraper, wiring tools, whatever variety of crimpers and wiring tools there, test lights, measuring tools, calipers, micrometers, tape measures, compression tester, various stuff there. Okay, here we've got drill bits, all different bit sets, bigger drill bits in the back, punches. Here is the PPE drawer. We've got welding helmet, face shield. There's some welding gloves under there. We've got safety glasses, earplugs. On top of the bench, I have some cordless Milwaukee tools. They're not all here. Let's see, we already saw that one. Air tools. My 1/2-inch gun is out, but I've got air ratchets, air chisels, and impact wrenches in this drawer. This is, let's see, what do I have here? Die grinders, angle grinders, air drills, air nibblers, air shears. Some other miscellaneous air tools, my 3/4 impact gun, whatever variety of overflow stuff is there. And finally, the meter, multimeter, and code reader, scanner, and whatever miscellaneous tools, jumpers, specialty tools, flaring bars, stuff like that. So this is all the stuff that I use most often, and everything else I keep in cabinets and hanging up. Like, for example, I've got some pipe wrenches hanging up here, stuff like that. So that's my toolbox tour. Thank you for watching.